I'm going to make a quick video on how to use Spanish Dict.com, and you can enter any verb here and find out the conjugation for the verb you are conjugating. So since we are working on boot verbs, we're going to start with querer, and we are working in the present tense only. Please do not look over here. You are in the present tense only, right here. So there's querer. I want to know how to do, let's say we want to do dormir, to sleep. We go here, and there's duermo, duermes, duerme, dormimos, dormís, duermen. You'll be able to hear these two if you click on the enunciation of the verb or the pronunciation. I don't think you can hear it. I don't think you can hear it on my end. Okay, let's do poder, to be able to. Okay, puedo, puedes, puede, podemos, podéis, pueden. Next, let's do, oh, this one's a hard one. I'm going to do preferir. To prefer, and here you go. Prefiero, prefieres, prefiere, preferimos, preferís, and prefieren. Do you see where its stem changes? Right there. It's in red. Okay, guys, this was a quick video. I hope this helps you. Remember, we are working in the present tense only. We have not learned the preterite, so do not write preterite, because if you do, it will be marked wrong. Okay, have a good day.